Hello friends, I am Vishali Sharma and in this video I am going to discuss about the pedagogy of language development. In this video I have discussed about the English language for the CTET 2017. So friends let's start about the pedagogy of language development. So first question is, what is language? So language is a medium through which one can express one's ideas, thoughts, feelings and messages. It's a very normal thing कि what weapon or what way or what medium we choose to express our ideas or our thoughts or our feelings and messages. So that's normal. It's just language, and language in different aspects. Either you use your eyebrows to just convey some different type of messages to one of your friends, or either you use your pen, that becomes a writing language. Either you use your words, that becomes a oral language. But in one way or the other, it's a language, है ना? So there are different medium for expressing the language, but it's all about the language. It's a one thing only, which is expressed in different kinds. Okay, so next here is, different languages are spoken in the world. Yes, there are several thousands of languages which are spoken throughout the world, and how these language originated, it is very difficult to know. Friends, ये बहुत नॉर्मल सी चीज़ है कि we can't say कि properly we can't say कि उस लैंग्वेज का जो origin है वो कब से स्टार्ट हुआ था. ठीक है, तो it's not properly known कि how these language originated. Okay, so next here is, it is believed that people started conveying messages through signals, postures, gestures, etc. It's a term-based definition है कि signals, postures and gestures are used to convey the messages, and it's a very genuine thing. Either we use signals, or we use postures, or we use gestures. Next one is, every language chooses some symbols from the alphabet of the language and joins in different combinations to form meaningful words. Yes, you used to join symbols from the language or from the alphabets of the language you know, and then you join in those particular symbols in the different combinations from which you form the meaningful words. That's how you proceed further. Next is, language conventions are not easily changed. Yes, it's exactly right कि जो language conventions होते हैं, once they have been included in a language, they would take several thousands of years to have some modifications in them. Next here is, language is extendable and modifiable, but it took several years. ठीक है? But it takes several years. Language is a method of human communication. Yes, बिल्कुल सही बात. जो language है, अगर language ही ना हो, then how we will communicate? Next is the teaching of language. This one is important. The teaching of language is basically conditioned by the nature of the subject. In which subject we are proceeding or we are communicating, that helps to make the proper outcome of that language. Next one is, language is the manipulation of experience by the use of symbols. Yes, exactly, like you are doing the manipulation of the symbols or the manipulation of experiences and representing those manipulation of experiences in some kind of symbols only. isn't it? Next one is the concept of language as a learning task is a complex of interrelated and interdependent experiences. Friends, actually this is a belief कि जो लैंग्वेज है दैट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स मिक्सचर ऑफ इंटररिलेटेड एंड इंटरडिपेंडेंट एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड एलिमेंट्स. And you have been gone through in your personal experiences also कि if you have to say something, or if you have to write something, or if you have to express something, or if you have to express some ideas, feeling or thoughts of, or your any kind of messages, then you are using some kind of thoughts which are interrelated and interdependent experiences from your past or from your present or maybe from your future. ठीक है, तो in which growth proceeds simultaneously but in varying degrees. Like all the experiences, all the feelings, all the messages doesn't proceed in the same degree na, they have some kind of change in them, that's only. So depends on points or emphasis and interest, and it depends on your emphasis or your interest to which type of feelings or to which type of ideas or to which type of thought you are providing your more interest or your more emphasis, that will proceed for that type of their conveying. Next one is the primary function of language are communication, self-expression and thinking. These are some keywords कि जो primary function होता है language का basically is communication, self-expression and thinking. This is very a genuine thing. The expression of feeling and meaning becomes more exact if like